Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off call forwarding on your iPhone so calls ring directly on your device again. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now scroll down, go to Apps and tap on Phone. This is where you manage all your calling features. Next, scroll down and tap on Call Forwarding. If you're using dual SIM or eSIM, you'll need to select which number you want to adjust first. Here, you'll see a toggle switch next to Call Forwarding. If it's turned on, simply toggle it off. Once disabled, all incoming calls will ring directly on your iPhone instead of being forwarded. Quick troubleshooting tip: if the call forwarding option appears grayed out or missing, it might be controlled by your carrier. Try restarting your iPhone or contact your service provider for assistance. And that's it. Call forwarding is now turned off. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching.